My ex-girlfriend accidentally called me love. Lang is a shortcut to Palanga, and Palanga means love. That's what we called each other way back, when we were still dating. What a beautiful day. After I had coffee, it suddenly rained. Heavy rain.
Hay nako, akala ko hindi na kami makakapag-det-det. Oy, pero thank you Papa G kasi binigyan mo kami ng magandang weather. And papunta na ako sa kanila. Pero bahala ka na dyan, ulan ka lang no. Nagmamahalan kami. Chares. At pagkatating ko sa bahay nila, chat ko na siya agad ha. Chat ko muna siya.
Ikaw hinuntan, nanong na ayaw ang ibig kong dalan. Di mo anakontan.
Awat ah! Awat ah! Amis!
I tried to take her kility to see if I could tickle her again.
Hold my hand like we used to. Kira, ay sorry. Hindi mo ligsan ka pa the plan.
Sigara.
Gumalagul, di mo na pag-unit sa mga gamot. Guniti akong gamot.
Ginawa magandang balita. May nangyayari na.
Kung wala lang tamang gagawin, manahimik na lang.
So, pagdating namin sa simbahan, yan, pumasok na kami agad-agad. Sarap talagang magsimba pag may kasama. Oy, wait, touch nga natin, Hansby. Ay, etra ka.
Nangyayari na.
Yan, sindi muna kami kandila, pero...
Pasok ka? Dito yung pandi.
At nag-pray na ako dito. Wala na akong ibang hingin. Lord, sana magkakablika na kami. Aw. Ito, alam ko to. Alam ko prayer na ito. Lord, sana kami na ulit.
Talaga, Charmin?
At pagkatapos namin magsindi ng kandila, pumunta na kami sa... Alam nyo na yan.
Pwede. Tama ito ba?
Mix and match? Mix and match.
Yes, mix and match. Apa nagulog ko yung sundo. Yung bayad? Ha?
Dili ka mag-spicy. Spicy na chicken. Original ya?
Bukansal na yun. Basta ito.
For those who are watching this video, who wants to get back with their ex, it could take a bit longer for you guys to get back together. Remember this, just do everything as long as you don't hurt other people or get stepped on. But when you really did everything and nothing happened or nothing really comes back, go back off. I just want to remind you that there are many women who wear dress. If you just know what I mean.
If I had to live my life without you near me, the days we'd all be empty. Kasi kung maseryoso ko, the nights would seem so long. With you I see forever, oh so clearly. I might have been